like this. An object starts from rest. Well, I know you are not physics students, but these are problems from our everyday life. An object starts from rest. Now here I have a ball, it is at rest, and it starts moving. It means its initial velocity is 0. So if an object starts from rest, its initial velocity is 0. What does that mean? When t equal to 0, the velocity equal to 0. That's the meaning of that. So an object starts from rest at x equal to 2 meter and accelerates uniformly at 2 meter per second squared. This is the acceleration. Now it is at x equal to 2 means when you look at it initially, when t equal to 0, its position is 2 meter. So you have actually two information in this problem. At t equal to 0, the velocity is 0, and at t equal to 0, the position is 2 meter. Then say, find the velocity of the object at t equal to 5 seconds. What is the position of the object at that time? Okay, let's put down the given data. What do we know? An object starts from rest means that its initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity means when t equal to 0, the velocity is 0. So we write it like this: v0 equal to 0. That's right. And it starts at x equal to 2 means its initial position is 2 meter. Initial position means the position at t equal to 0, or it means x of 0 equal to 2. Those are two important information. What other information do we have? We know that its acceleration is 2 meter per second squared. Now, if you know the acceleration, we can find the velocity function. How? By integrating it. That's right. We have acceleration is 2 meter per second squared. So velocity function v of t can be obtained by integrating the acceleration function a of t. So if you integrate this, you will get the velocity function. So look at that. V of t is integral a of t dt. And our a of t is 2 meter per second squared. We're going to drop the unit and just take the number. So that will be integral 2 dt. What's integral 2 dt? Integral 2 dt is 2t plus c. That's right. So what we have is v of t equal to 2t plus c1. I call it c1 because in the process of solving this problem, there will be another place where we have another constant. So we call this a c1. Is there any way to find the c1? Yes. How? We are told that the value of this velocity when this t is 0 is 0. So v0 equal to 0 means when you replace your t by 0, the value of this velocity will be 0. So to find the constant c1, we use the condition v0 equal to 0, and that tells me when this t equal to 0, 2t is 0, and at that time the velocity is 0. We get 0 equal to 0 plus c1, or the value of that c1 is 0. Well, so we settle there, we have no worry. Alright, so what is the velocity function now? Our velocity function is v of t equal to 2t. Now, we need to find the velocity of the object at t equal to 5 seconds. So if v of t equal to 2t, what is v of 5? v of 5 is 2 times 5, that is 10 meter per second. Now look at the neat way we can solve problems in physics. So when you move into taking physics, you will find these kind of problems very simple. Alright, now we have v of t equal to 2t, and also we know that when t equal to 0, the position is 2 meter. Now, position x of t can be obtained by integrating the velocity function. In other words, x of t equal to integral v of t dt. Well, v of t is this 2t, and that is integral 2t dt is our position function. Can you integrate that? Integral 2t dt? Well, 2 is a constant, that will remain. Integral t dt is t to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. So integral t dt is t squared over 2 plus a constant c2. So what's our position function again? X of t is t squared plus c2 because these 2's will cancel. Now we need to find the c2. How do you find the c2? We know that this x is 2 meter when this t is 0. That's the meaning of this x of 0 equal to 2. When t equal to 0, x equal to 2. So we will say 2 equal to 0, this is 0, plus c2, and that gives you the value of c2 equal to 2. And therefore, what is the position function now? Therefore, x of t is t squared plus 2 is the position function. You can now use this position function to find the position of the object at any given time. Now, we were told to find the position at the time t equal to 5 seconds. Therefore, x of 5 is 5 squared plus 2, that is 27 meter. So the object started at x equal to 2 meter, and at the end of 5th second, it is at 27 meter, and we also calculated its velocity at that time. A very neat way. You see, calculus is actually a tool to solve problems that we confront in the world. In fact, most of the problems that we solve about the universe is actually solved using the method of calculus.